Yellow boxes follow a man as he walks through this 20th floor office in the Plaza building in Orlando. This surveillance video is unique because the software behind the security system has actually learned to differentiate between what is and is not a person.
We're just getting to a point now where this type of technology is commercially viable.
Stephen Nish is president and CEO of Sighthound, an Orlando startup working to improve home and business security systems. Most security cameras start recording when they detect motion. It could be a person, your dog, or a squirrel that triggers the camera. Sighthound cameras only record the movements of people.
The software needs to learn by being shown repeatedly what a human being looks like from every angle. A human being walking a dog, a human being riding a bicycle.
This technology is called computer vision. It's been around since 1980, but it's quickly evolving. Technical teams use complex models and algorithms to teach and test the software.
You actually have to train the software so that it sees a particular thing like a person thousands and thousands of times, and eventually it learns that's what a human being looks like.
Sighthound allows you to get alerts on your smartphone and to watch a video clip that might show an intruder at your house. From security to medicine, computer vision technology is improving our lives.
We've had customers in the medical field using the software to monitor patients and know if something abnormal is happening.
Over the next decade, computer vision will push artificial intelligence to new levels.
You can imagine 10 years from now, you could play a movie for the first time, and computer vision could actually give you a running commentary of what's happening in the movie.
As it watches it.
As it watches it, without any pre-briefing.
Nish says in the future, computer vision will enable cameras to identify and track people. Cameras will be able to identify a person by the shape of their ears or cheekbones, or by the way they walk.
You could track that particular person by their clothing or other recognizable features, not only on the camera that saw them initially, but on a camera miles away in a different part of town.
Nish believes this will have a profound impact on how police catch criminals.
It's going to make it very hard to run away from the scene of a crime.
Powerful technology evolving right in downtown Orlando.